Okay, your boy is back and my hands ain't ashy. Hey everybody, it's Brandon from Vantaxis Chair back with another video. So in this one, I have a quick little unboxing. So this is from my favorite beauty supply online, Wholesale Beauty. They ain't giving me no promo or nothing. I just really enjoy shopping there. So I got another one of these brushes. This is a larger one. The one I have currently is, I have like a small one and a medium sized one. So I just grabbed one of these. It's been my favorite type of round brush. I like the full board bristle ones, like the Ibiza brushes, but then I also like the full nylon bristles, like a Olivia or something like that. But this is like a great middle ground. It has a good grip. I've seen like a lot of people are like Dominican blowouts rather, using brushes like this, and I find that it works really good for my clientele. So then I also got some hair cutting combs, some wall combs. I haven't bought a new pack of these in a long time. So I haven't got a new pack of these in a long time, so I got a pack of these. I had some right now, like I got a couple teeth falling out of them, crazy stuff like that. So just picked up some new ones. You can never go wrong buying some new combs and brushes and stuff like that. But what we're here for, this is what we're here for. If you've been watching me for a little bit, I had the Dyson for a long time. I had bought that and got that as a gift in 2021, I think, and it just recently went out on me, like maybe a month completely ago. So it had kind of like false start, kind of went out on me, and really good dryer. I really enjoyed it, but it started going out on me about a month ago. So in that time I got the Gamma dryer. I think I made a video on that one. It was okay, but my Dyson started working again, so I took it back because I didn't like it that much. And then it started acting up on me again, so I got the Tymo. I really liked it. I like it, but it has a comb attachment. The combs are really small, which I don't like compared to what the Dyson was. It gets smooth results, but I feel like it could be a little bit smoother. Even when I compared it to the Dyson, I noticed that the results weren't quite as smooth. Olivia, this is kind of something new for them. They don't have a lot of different hot tools and stuff like that, but they are known for their round brushes, which I do like their round brushes and blowouts. So it's interesting that they brought this out. So here's some of the specs for a high performance professional hair dryer. I got this because I'm a professional. I got this for kind of a reduced rate because the site that I shop on has discounts for professionals. So its suggested retail price though is $300, like $299 I believe. And then there's also some discounts that you can get from different places like Ulta or whatever. So yeah, so this is the dryer, powerful 187 watt dryer with long lasting brushless motor, 3 airflow screeds, 3 heat settings, cool shot. It's lightweight, has a 2-year warranty, which is what sucks about these dryers. They have 2-year warranties, but usually they go out after that. Maybe you're only supposed to keep your dryer for 2 years, but that was the problem I had with my Dyson. So it was like it went out, but the warranty's over. So I'm gonna have to probably like take it in and get it fixed and have to pay or something, but we'll see with that. I'll keep y'all updated. So this is the Olivia Super HP. Back to this ionic technology, fast drying. It's supposed to be super light and ergonomically friendly for your size of your hands and stuff. I did not go in store and look at this dryer. The other dryer, ooh, looks nice. So has the information on when Olivia got it started. It's got really nice packaging. Gives information about cleaning because you can take off the back filter and clean it, so you can lock the dryer in place when it's in a certain heat setting, which is great. That's something that I have had issues with the Tymo, is that because of where the options are, I find myself changing the heat and changing the speed like constantly while I'm using the dryer, which I hate. I can't stand that. So because like I said, the Dyson, its controls are on the top, so it's not really as easy to change those. It was when I would use the Dyson on myself because the way I would hold it, but for this dryer I like that it has the lock, so you don't have to worry about it changing all the time. 3 heat settings, 3 airflow settings. This has the same heat, the same amount of heat as the Dyson's. It's 212 for the high heat and high speed. I'll have to look up for the medium. And a small 9-foot break resistant cord. 9-foot isn't too bad. Ergonomic handle. Yeah, the handle doesn't get hot. I personally don't usually hold my dryer by the handle. We'll see how I use this one. Hold it by the nozzle. I usually hold it by the handle, but I know you can't hold it by the nozzle and it doesn't get hot. 100,000 RPM, so it's going to be moving pretty fast, have a lot of speed. So I love that it comes with a whole bunch of attachments. I love that it comes with a lot of attachments. The Dyson came with like 5 attachments, which I like. There was There were a couple of them that I didn't use as much, like the gentle air nozzle. I didn't really use that one as much, and the flyway tamer, I didn't use that one as much either. So I did love the comb attachment and the concentrator. I wanted to get the bigger concentrator, but I love that this comes with 2 concentrators and 2 comb attachments, a double comb attachment and a single comb attachment. So this one is kind of like how the Dyson was, where it's like a single comb and it's thick. I think all of these, I don't know if they're magnetic. It looks like it's suction. I'm sure it might have some magnetism in it, but the way this feels, it feels like it probably won't get hot while it's in use, which I like. Makes it easy to like change them out and not have to stop and wait for it to cool off. This one, yeah, this is a double comb. This is kind of like more of a classic comb attachment, the one that you used to see back in the day. Just interesting, I like that. Diffuser, we love a diffuser. This is great for curls or when you're sculpting something, you don't want it to move around. Nice diffuser. The Tymo one, it has like adjustments on there. I've never seen that on a diffuser before, so that was interesting. This one does not. So we have a wide concentrator nozzle, which would be great for like blowouts and stuff like that. That's something that I hate about the Dyson. It only has the small concentrator. Then we have the smaller concentrator. It's great, short hair. And we have a little cleaning brush, which this is nice. So you can take off the back part, you know, brush it out, clean it out, get all the little gunky hairs out of it. Olivia Garden branded. Nice. I decided to go with the black. They had a silver color, but it kind of looked blue, like powderwood blue, and I didn't really like that. So went with the black. It is very lightweight. I'm going to be using it tomorrow because I have to work tomorrow. So I'll definitely be using it. I have to do it with my mom's here tomorrow, so she's like my guinea pig for everything. So we'll definitely get a chance to see how this works. I'm trying to think, do I have any kinky hair clients tomorrow that I have to do? Because my mom's hair is pretty, it is a nice weight to it. It doesn't feel too heavy. Let's see how it feels with the blow dryer. Yeah, it feels comfortable. Even holding it up like at the top. I know some people hold their dryers like this. Maybe I could get into holding it like this, holding it on the nozzle. We'll see. But yeah, it feels nice right here. I like that it's on. And this one, so this would be something where, because like I said, the Tymo is, whistle columns are on the handle too, which makes it hard, it makes it annoying, because you can be holding it and change the settings. But like I said, this has a lock, which is going to be great. I already know that's going to be great. Got the cool shot at the top, so easy use, easy access, on and off button. I think these are the heat settings on the left and airspeeds on the right. But yeah, it looks really nice. It's got a nice kind of grip to it. It's a little more slick than I would think it would be, but we'll see how it feels like as I get to using it. But yeah, it's nice and lightweight. I wonder what it's gonna be like on sound and stuff, so we'll see about that tomorrow. But just wanted to come in and show you guys my new dryer, the Olivia Garden Super HP. It's pretty. We'll see how it works tomorrow though. Peace.